Hello world! Welcome back to Bliss Health TV. High blood sugar levels are a hallmark of diabetes, which is frequently caused by the body producing or using insulin incorrectly. People with diabetes need to make sure their blood sugar levels do not rise too quickly or too far. They should be very careful about their diet because of this. In this video, we'll explore the science and research behind does eating peanuts help to reverse the condition and keep blood sugar levels in check? How should you eat peanuts? What are the worst and best ways? Before diving into the video, please subscribe to Bliss Health TV and hit the like button. The science behind peanuts and diabetes. A recent study found that women and men with obesity, a risk factor for developing diabetes, were able to manage their blood sugar throughout the day after eating peanuts for breakfast. Individuals who consumed peanuts for breakfast experienced reduced blood glucose levels and a reduced appetite, and they consumed less food throughout the day. Let's discuss compounds 1 through 1, which were helpful for diabetes after eating peanuts.
Number 1. GLP-1 and peanuts. GLP-1, a naturally occurring hormone, is frequently found at insufficient levels in type 2 diabetes patients. Ribolysis, like GLP-1, slows down digestion, stops the liver from producing excessive amounts of sugar, and aids the pancreas in producing more insulin when needed. GLP-1 increases the production of insulin, reduces insulin resistance, and curbs hunger. The function of GLP-1 is important for diabetic people. GLP-1 levels were also higher among those who ate peanuts compared with the control group.
Number 2. Low glycemic index and peanuts. A system for ranking foods with carbohydrates is called the glycemic index, GI. It shows how quickly each food lowers blood sugar, glucose, levels when consumed on its own. For diabetics, this is crucial because sudden spikes in blood sugar levels can make it more challenging for the body to regulate blood sugar levels and can raise the risk of developing diabetes complications. A glycemic index is a number between 0 and 100. Water, for example, would have a score of 0, meaning it has no effect on blood sugar. A score of 100 is pure glucose. Foods with a GI score of 55 or less are considered to manage blood sugar levels. Peanuts have a GI score of just 14, making them one of the lowest scoring GI foods. Peanuts are a suitable snack for diabetics because they have little impact on blood sugar levels.
Number 3. Omega-6 in peanuts. In comparison to other nuts, peanuts have higher concentrations of omega-6 fatty acids. Inflammation can worsen diabetes over time. Research has shown that high levels of omega-6 contribute to inflammation in the body and may reduce the risk of type 2 diabetes. Men who had higher blood levels of omega-6 fats were found to have a lower risk of type 2 diabetes, according to another recent study that was published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition. Omega-3 rich foods like walnuts, flaxseed, and oily fish like sardines and salmon should also be consumed by someone who regularly eats peanuts.
Number 4. Peanuts and fiber. Peanuts are rich in fiber, which is another important factor in managing diabetes. The American Diabetes Association encourages diabetics to eat more fiber because it can help lower cholesterol levels, make a person feel fuller for longer, which helps reduce or slow glucose absorption into the bloodstream, and keep blood sugar levels in check. A high fiber intake can decrease the risk of type 2 diabetes by 20 to 30% and also lower the risk of it progressing and leading to complications. According to the American Heart Association, cardiovascular disease is a common complication of diabetes. People with diabetes need to manage their blood sugar levels and also lower their risk of stroke and heart disease. Additionally beneficial to the heart are the minerals and fiber found in peanuts. In a high-fiber diet, a woman would eat more than 25 grams and a man more than 38 grams per day.
Number 5. Peanuts and insulin sensitivity. Peanuts contain a number of essential nutrients, including healthy fats, protein, and fiber. One of the key ways that peanuts can help reverse diabetes is by improving insulin sensitivity. This means that the body is better able to use insulin to control blood sugar levels, which can lead to lower blood sugar levels and a reduced risk of developing diabetes.
How to incorporate peanuts into your diet. 1. Peanut butter. It's important to choose a natural peanut butter that is free from added sugar, salt, and oils. Peanut butter is a delicious and versatile food that can be added to a variety of dishes, including smoothies, oatmeal, and sandwiches. 2. Peanut snacks. Another way to incorporate peanuts into your diet is by eating peanut snacks. Peanut snacks, such as roasted peanuts, trail mix, and peanut bars, are a great way to get the benefits of peanuts on the go. Just be sure to choose snacks that are low in added sugar and salt. 3. Peanut-based meals. Finally, you can incorporate peanuts into your meals by using them as a main ingredient in stir-fries, salads, and soups. So if you're looking for a way to manage your diabetes, consider adding peanuts to your diet today. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, comment, and share it with others. Until the next, take care and bye-bye.